Dosdall, and I'm excited to share a new video with you all about the tag punch board from We Are Memory Keepers. This is one of the latest punch boards, and it's a perfect tool for making perfectly centered and even tags. Let me show you some of the features of the board. It's got a cutting tool, which you can use to cut even corners. And along here on this diagonal guide is where you put your paper, and there are lettered guidelines so that you can line your tag up on the exact same line and get those even corners. There's also a hole punch over here with a centering guide so that you can get a perfectly centered hole every time. So what I love about this board is I've been trying to do this for years with scissors and a hole punch or crocodile, and I can never quite get it exactly even, but with this tool it's easy and I never miss. So what I'm going to do today is show you how to make these simple Easter tags. And this tool is great for any kind of tag. You could do Christmas, you could do birthday, any holiday or occasion, just, you know, a general how are you doing or hello tag. And I'm going to show you how to make these and pair this tool with the square punch board. This is one of my go-to tools, especially if I have a bulk project that I'm working on. If I'm making a set of something like cards, gift tags, planner squares, mats for photos on a scrapbook page, this is your tool for sure. I'm just going to grab my scrap of paper here, and this is from the Turn the Page collection by Paige Evans for Pink Paisley. And all I need to do on this board is just put my guides where I want them to be. I've got them on 4 inches long and 2 1/4 inches wide. And once I've set that, all I have to do is slide my paper in, and it stops right there on the guides, and then I punch. Move my paper over, and I can just keep punching. And the benefit of this, as opposed to a trimmer, is you're only doing one action versus 2. On a trimmer, you have to cut both sides. But this one, you just punch and you've got the exact same shape every time. No waste on your paper. There's no leftovers. So it's a really helpful tool. So once you've got your paper cut, you're going to grab the tag punch board, open up the arm here, and I'm going to use the H line. That's a pretty good size for this particular tag. I cut my angles, and then I just flip it over and do the same thing again. And it's really nice because you can purchase replaceable blades in case your blade gets dull. And then you just move it over to the hole punch, center it on the guides, and you're good to go. And all I did was add some twine and some embellishments from the Pink Paisley Turn the Page collection by Paige Evans. Finish it off with one of these pretty paper clips and a few gold sequins. And then we're all set. Again, these are perfect to add to gifts, or you can make a set and give that away as a gift. But again, the tag punch board is just, for me, the easiest way to get perfect tags every time. And you can customize the size and the shape, and it's a great tool to have in your stash.